How well do you understand 12 English tenses? She belonged to school every day. Is going, goes, went. Look, it blank outside. Rains is raining, rained. They blank already finished their homework. Have, had, will have. He blank football for 2 hours. Has been playing, played, will play. We blank dinner at 7 last night. Are eating, were eating, eat. I blanked the movie yesterday. Saw, see, have seen. She blanked her homework before she went out. Had finished, finished, has finished. He blanked for 2 hours before he stopped. Had been running, run, has run. Tomorrow, I blank my friend at the airport. Will meet, meet, met. At this time tomorrow, we blank in class. Will be sitting, sit, were sitting. By next week, she blank all her exams. Will have finished, finishes, finished. The train blank at 6 every morning. Leaves, left, is leaving. She blank her keys, so she can't open the door. Loses, lost, has lost. We blank breakfast when the phone rang. Had, were having, have had. He blank English since 2015. Studied, studies, has studied. The teacher blanked the students while they were talking. Punished, punishes, was punishing. I blank dinner now. Eat, am eating, have eaten. She blanked for 2 hours before she fell asleep. Had been reading, read, has read. He blank for a new job next month. Is looking, will look, was looking. By next year, I blank my degree. Complete, have completed, will have completed. This time next week, we blank in Paris. Will be staying, stay, stayed. She blank every morning before breakfast. Runs, is running, ran. He blank in the garden when it started to rain. Worked, was working, works. They blank their homework for 3 hours now. Have been doing, did, are doing. How many do you get right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get the other quizzes.